Wall? Dunk? We're headed out on the annual squirrel trip. Got Wally set up here with the old Remington lever action. And try to get some squirrels and do a little cookout. You warm?
Yep.
All right. Well, after chasing one squirrel for about a mile, we ended up getting him. How many times do you think we shot him, Wall? Probably 3 times. It came down to one tree. He couldn't go any farther.
We only own on this side.
You gonna help us get firewood?
That's real.
I also got some good prices.
Down in there. See if she'll catch good. Yeah, baby.
The shavings go up pretty fast.
Yep. Fingers out there. Now get ready for some cocoa. Hey, you excited for Coco and Squirrel?
Yeah.
You want to close that water up for me? What'd you ask me?
Do you have a mixer?
A mixer?
Like to
Like this stick I just found? Is that what you're talking about?
whatever.
Oh yeah, we're mixing good. Well, we got some on the spigot and some we're gonna do the old just right on the hot coals. See if we can burn off hair and stuff. I'm fine eating with the little coals. Are you, Wally? Good. We forgot all the salt back at the vehicle, so.
There's gonna be some natural seasonings.
You mean none?
I mean charcoal.
You hungry?
Next to it.
Yeah.
Sizzling. Tastes like a burnt squirrel. What do you think it tastes like?
It seems like I can't really explain it.
Like a rat?
Maybe like
Yeah, about 2
if
seconds.
you eat a mouse.
It just tastes like a burnt chicken. What it tastes like. Helps when you don't have any seasoning to keep it wild. Finishing up, gotta do some dishes. You about done eating?
No.
You just don't want to leave, do you?
Well, this is good.
What's the temperature today? It was feels like -7 when we got here.
Yeah, maybe 5. 20-ish now, probably.
It is pretty.
Take that in the 5.
Finish up here and head back home. End of the season. Have squirrel in your teeth till tomorrow.
Good loss.
You a happy boy?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, fire's put out. You satisfied with that, Smokey the Bear?
Yeah.
All right, grab the tripod. Let's get going. Time to go home. Back to civilization.